In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company logo to Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Klaviyo account. When you get to the dashboard, take a look at the menu panel on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all the navigation options for Klaviyo. Once you're logged in, the first step is to locate the option labeled Content. It's pretty easy to find, so go ahead and click on it. Content is the category you'll be working in to make sure your brand is looking its best. Now, within the Content category, you will notice a subcategory called Images and Brand. Go ahead and select that. This section is specifically designed for managing all your brand assets, including your logo, so it's important to know where it is. After you've clicked on Images and Brand, you'll find yourself on a page with multiple tabs at the top. There's a default view, but what we want to do is switch over to the Brand tab. This is where all the branding magic happens, including adding your logo, so make sure you're in the right spot now. Once you're on the Brand tab, scroll down a little and you should see a section labeled Logos. This is where you can add your company logo. Look for the button that says Add Logo. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your logo file. It's a good idea to have a high-quality version of your logo ready, ideally in PNG or JPEG format. Once you've selected your file, click the Upload button, and just like that, your logo will be saved within your brand assets. And that's it. You've successfully added your company logo to Klaviyo. In summary, to recap what we did, we logged into Klaviyo, navigated to Content, selected Images and Brand, switched to the Brand tab, and finally uploaded our logo. It's a straightforward process that ensures your email marketing campaigns look professional and aligned with your brand identity. If you have any questions about adding branding elements in Klaviyo or anything else related to your email marketing needs, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And remember, keeping your brand consistent across all platforms helps build trust and recognition with your audience, so don't overlook that brand logo. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.